Hi, I'm Fred Garden from McAlpine. I'm introducing the new air admittance valve from McAlpine, which fits both external and internal use. So one valve fits both. The valve is a 40 litre per second air intake. It will fit 110mm plastic or a 4-inch cast iron. If you remove the fin seal, it will also fit 3-inch ring sealed socket. The valve can be easily put together. And what we did think of doing, because it's for external use also, we did think of employing an altimeter parachute. But then we thought to ourselves, rather expensive, we'll just make the top unbreakable. Also available in grey and white.